That right there is straight up pain in the ass.
Alright. Boom. Jeez. Licked it.
A mischievous monkey in Malaysia has been causing a stir after being spotted yanking off and stealing car number plates. A Lamborghini Huracan crashed violently into a roadside pole in China, leaving the once sleek supercar almost unrecognizable. Even the best driving skills couldn't save anyone from losing control at that kind of speed. Clearly, this driver had no idea how to drive a car. I hope he has enough money to cover the damage. This is exactly the kind of stupidity and reckless move you see at some of these car meets. A Lamborghini flipped over at the roadside after a serious crash, and a police car used its front armored grille to push the wrecked supercar aside, to prevent it from being hit by the incoming traffic. The incident occurred on the morning of November 22, 2025, on the Sungai Besi Highway in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. A viral video showed a motorist driving a Range Rover Velar on the Sungai Besi Highway with a blown rear tire. Sparks flying as he ignored warnings to stop.
Bos, mabuk, bos, mabuk, mabuk.
After a long chase, the driver stopped at the traffic light and said to the motorist that he had hit a pothole and kept driving because he lived nearby. Police testing at the Dang Wangi headquarters found him positive for ketamine, amphetamine, and methamphetamine, though he tested negative for alcohol. This guy acted like he was the hero of the day, smacking the car side mirror with the flair of an NBA player. Classic Miami road rage drama. It looks like someone's car is getting wrecked after sitting on the roadside. Someone remembers to tell the owner where to pick up his car. This is what happens when you park on the road without thinking about the consequences. Another idiot driver making headlines for all the wrong reasons. That truck is really messed up. It looks like something went seriously wrong, causing the two trailers behind it to tip over and block the entire lane. The lady is desperately trying to keep the bike from slipping away, but what the hell just happened?
Okay.
Check this situation out. Looks like we have got a wild chase in progress. This driver is tearing through the streets, blowing past red lights like it's their own personal racetrack. It's chaotic, unpredictable, and everyone around is scrambling to stay out of the way. A Bugatti Veyron just got scraped by the lower floor, causing a tremendous cracking sound that made everyone nearby cringe, and the sight is very painful to watch. Dubai's professional car drivers are known for their wild drifting skills, but this time they have gone way too far. The stunt pushed the limits, and as the driver oversteered, the car flipped over in a dramatic, heart-stopping moment. What was meant to be a show of skill instantly turned into a scene of shock and disbelief.
Oh no.
That was so close. The driver almost slammed into the car in front after it came to an instant stop. These drivers' selfish behavior can create danger and frustration for everyone on the road. And now this car is stuck in the middle of the road after failing in its attempt to run a red light.
Từ đúng không? Cưới lên.
This is exactly why irresponsible drivers are so dangerous. Their careless decisions put everyone around them at risk. One person's reckless behavior can turn an ordinary moment on the road into a potentially serious situation for everyone nearby.
Look what just happened in front of us, Alexis.
Retaining walls hold back tons of earth, but in a landslide, they can become dangerous, especially if your car is parked right next to one. A driver left their car blocking the road, and a snowplow quickly taught them a lesson. He thought he didn't found the perfect parking spot, until the driver quickly discovered why it was off limits. Bright tape stretched across it.
They're towing my car right now to try to get it out of the water, but I don't know how this is gonna work.
Because you have to get to the latches underneath.
This is bad, bruh.
On a slippery snow-covered road, a Ferrari 458 crashed, sending its bumper flying. Looks like someone just learned a hard lesson today. Here is what I would say to this Ferrari owner. Money can't buy happiness, and it certainly can't buy you skill. Oh, I didn't expect him to actually do that. A reckless driver ran a green light through a blocked intersection, narrowly avoiding a crash. These drivers act as if the road belongs only to them, ignoring the presence and rights of others.
Fucking kidding me? Oh no, you're good, bro. You got a green light. Oh shit!
A driver was caught on camera driving a Chrysler 300 through a fenced sidewalk area at 16th Street Mall on November 3rd, crashing into another car and leaving with flat tires. Footage shows a passenger exiting the car to help navigate, nearly getting injured as the driver struggled through construction fencing. The car continued along the sidewalk, hitting another vehicle and a business patio while bystanders urged the driver to stop. Eventually, the driver fled the scene, leaving the passenger behind, and Denver police arrived about 15 minutes later.